Good morning students, welcome to all 12th standard accountancy. So in this video we are going to discuss unit 3 accounts of partnership firm fundamentals, how to calculate the interest on capital for partners, calculation of interest on capital. Let's see sum number 5. Manan and Ramesh are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 and their capital on 1st April 2018 was Manan 1,50,000 and Ramesh 1 lakh respectively, and their current account show their current credit balance of 25,000 and 20,000 respectively. So calculate the interest on capital 6% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2019 and show the journal entries. So how to calculate the interest on capital for Manan? So first Manan. So Manan capital is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 into 6 by 100 for Ramesh, 1 lakh into 6 by 100. Okay. So 1,50,000 into 6 by 100, 9,000. Then for Ramesh 1 lakh into 6 by 100, 6,000. Okay. So for Manan interest 9,000, for Ramesh 9,000. So we have to write journal entries. Journal entries. Date, particulars, debit, credit, LF. Okay. So we have to write the entry now. Date 31st 3/2019. Interest on capital account debtor. Interest on capital account debtor. 2. Manan current account. Manan current account. Then 2. Ramesh current account. So for Manan amount 9,000, for Ramesh 6,000, so total 15,000. Being interest on capital provided. Interest on capital provided. We have to write the transfer entry. So transfer entry, profit and loss appropriation account data. Profit and loss appropriation account data. Profit and loss appropriation account data. Two, interest on capital. Interest on capital 15,000. Being interest on capital closed or transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So for Manan 1,50,000 into 6 by 100, 9,000. Ramesh 1 lakh into 6 by 100, 6,000. So journal entry, Manan for Manan first entry, interest on capital account data to Manan current account to Ramesh account. The next entry, profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital 15,000. Next sum number 6. Prakash and Supriya are partners who are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of balance in the capital account. On 1st April 2018 was Prakash 3 lakh and Supriya 2 lakh. On 1st July 2018, Prakash introduced the additional capital 60,000 and Supriya introduced the additional capital 30,000 during the year. So calculate the interest on capital is 6% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2019 and show the journal entries. Okay. So how to calculate the interest on capital? Let's see the solution. So first for Prakash. So Prakash introduced the capital 1/4/2018. So accounting closing year 31st 3/2019. So interest on capital for Prakash brought capital 3 lakh. Percentage is 6%. So 6 by 100, 18,000. So next Prakash introduced the additional capital in between of the accounting year. So date 1st July 2018 to 31st 3 2019. He brought capital 60,000. 60,000 into 6 by 100 into, so between July to March, 9 months, so 9 by 12. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 are 2, 3 2 are 6. So answer 2,700. So total interest on capital for Prakash 20,700. Okay. So next calculation of for Supriya. So Supriya introduced the capital 1/4/2018 to 31st 3 2019. So amount 2 lakh. 2 lakh into 6 by 100, 12,000. Then next, Supriya introduced the additional capital in mid of the year, during the year. So 30,000. So 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. During the year we have to assume the 6 months. So 0 0, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 are 2, 3 2 are 6. So the answer 900. So total interest on capital amount 12,900 for Supriya. So Prakash introduced the capital 1/4/2018 to 31st 3 2019, 3 lakh into 6 by 100, 18,000. The next Prakash introduced the additional capital 1 July 2018 to 31st 3 2019, 60,000 into 6 by 100 into 9 by 12, 2,700. So total interest on capital amount for Prakash 20,700. For Supriya 1/4/2018 to 31st 3 2019, 2 lakh into 6 by 100, 12,000. The next Supriya introduced the additional capital 30,000 during the year. So 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, answer 900. So total 12,900. So next journal entries, we have to write journal entries. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay. So date 31st 3 2019. Amount, interest on capital account data. Interest on capital account data to Prakash capital, to Supriya. Supriya capital. So amount for Prakash 20,700, for Supriya 12,900. So total 33,600. Okay. So being interest on capital provided. Next we have to write transfer entry. So 31st 3 2019, profit and loss appropriation account data. Profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital. Interest on capital 33,600. Being interest on capital transfer. Being interest on capital transfer. Okay. So For journal entry, interest on capital account debtor 33,600. So Prakash capital 20,700. So Priya capital is 12,900. So total 33,600. So we have to write the transfer entry, profit loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. So being interest on capital transfer to profit loss appropriation 33,600. Okay. So I hope you all understand this interest on capital. We will see the next video. Thank you.